Today we're going to make bone broth. Super easy and versatile. This can be used as stock or beef broth or just as bone broth, ready to drink. Cheers, everybody. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you new videos every week. So I always keep a bag of bones in my freezer, left over from my bone-in ribeyes, my bone-in New York strips, T-bone steaks. I'll put links to any of those recipes down below. And here I'm just putting the bones in the Instant Pot. It's already pre-filled with some cooking liquid I had left over from my brisket recipe, which I'll also put down in links below. If you don't have existing braising liquid readily available, water is just fine. Ooh, that was from a mouth-watering standing rib roast. Add enough water to cover. I need about 6 cups here. Now to season with some pepper, a tablespoon or 2 of garlic, a few dashes of turmeric, which complements beef really well, a dash of cayenne pepper for some heat, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Salt to taste. I like to use Himalayan pink salt as some added trace minerals. And mix it up good. Twist on the Instant Pot lid, set it to seal, and we'll pressure cook for 2 hours. Smells great. Liquid gold. In a colander, we'll strain out any excess bits or bones. And totally pick off the excess bits of meat from the bones. Good snacking. This can be stored in the refrigerator. As a side, I just want to show you how much the bones have broken down. You can crumble them in your fingers. That means all the good nutrition and collagen from the bones have been extracted into the liquid. After a few hours in the refrigerator, the fat has risen to the top and has solidified. You can just take this off with a knife or spoon. Look at that bone broth jiggle. There's no added gelatin here. This is all coming from the rendered collagen in the bones. Let's try a cup, shall we? So jiggly. I'll heat it up in the microwave for 90 seconds. And there you have it, nice and hot. Cheers. Very comforting, super flavorful, delicious. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.